Hello and welcome to Wheelchair Vans Inc. Today I'll be going over a 2018 Ford Transit equipped with a BraunAbility rear entry lift. Let's go ahead and bring down the lift. We'll first open up the back. You can then use this to bring the lift down. Let's go ahead and check out the inside. So this lift here is going to be 34 inches wide. As we make our way inside, this one's going to have the smart floor, meaning you can put those chairs in any position you would like. It's also going to come with 2 full sets of retractable straps. And this van here only has 22,000 miles. Let's go ahead and come back down. We also offer financing on all types of credit. We can do personal or business loans. On top of that, we do have a promotion for free nationwide shipping, but if you decide to pick up at our location, we can offer you $1,000 off or a free 1-year warranty. For more information, please visit our website, 949vans.com. All of our vehicles will go through a 240-point inspection where we check out the engine, transmission, brakes, and tires. We also service the fluids and, of course, service the wheelchair lift. If you guys have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to our sales team at 949-664-1146. Thank you. Go ahead and start up the van. So this van here has 22,000 miles. You also have a backup camera with the beep. Here is the view of the front. And here is the back. Let's go ahead and listen to the engine.